So we finally built an illuminator for the illumination through the lens for the Nikon smz-10 microscope, and we can see how it's made. Here's two channels of light sources, for left and for right channel, adjusting of brightness without pulse width modulation, with analog controlling. We got pretty strong radiator here, because the power of LED is closing to 10 watts, not that small amount when brightness is maximum. And we can see how this thing works. So far we need to add some 1/4 wave plate. It's not attached so far. So when it's attached, you can use illumination through the optics in proper way. So far we won't see proper brightness when we look through the eyepieces. We'll see something, but that is not the thing we need to have. When we add our half-hour quarter wave plate, you'll get a totally proper way of looking through the optics. So I can't attach it so far with one hand, not that fit. So when we attach 1/4 wave plate, we can adjust its position, and we look through the eyepiece, we can see different behavior of the light. Kind of that. In one position we'll see strong reflection, in another position reflection is close to nothing. And that is the microscope for looking into the very narrow holes like this thing used for engines. It got very narrow, 4 millimeters in diameter hole with depth up to 35 millimeters. Using this light we can see what's inside, but I can't demonstrate it for you now because I got no stability in positioning, but I'll demonstrate it to you a bit later. So the device made for motor department is ready now to be shipped. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.